Welcome back to Tech eGadget. Today, we are reviewing the ANCEL AD310 Classic Enhanced Universal OBD2 scanner. If your check engine light has ever popped on and left you guessing, this device can save you time, money, and frustration. It is compact, easy to use, and one of the most popular budget-friendly scan tools on the market. Let's go through what it offers, how it performs, and whether it deserves a spot in your toolkit. First, let's talk about design. The ANCEL AD310 is lightweight at 12 ounces and measures 8.9 by 6.9 by 1.4 inches. That makes it portable enough to slip into a backpack or keep in your glove box. It comes with a 2.5-foot cord covered in thick, flexible insulation, which is important when you are working around pedals and tight spaces. The scanner itself feels sturdy, with a solid casing that can handle the occasional drop. On the front, it has a 2.4-inch display and large, clearly labeled buttons that make navigation simple, even if you are new to diagnostic tools. The AD310 is more than just a basic code reader. It powers directly from your vehicle's OBD II port, so no batteries or charging are required. Once connected, it can quickly read and clear diagnostic trouble codes, which is especially useful for turning off that check engine light after a repair. It also shows live data, freeze frame information, IM readiness status, and even vehicle details like the VIN. These features make it helpful for both DIY car owners and mechanics who want a quick way to confirm what's going on. Performance is where the AD310 shines. It provides fast and accurate results. Many users say it works in seconds, letting them clear codes immediately after fixing an issue. One review mentioned using it regularly for over a year to clear codes from an exhaust leak. Another user compared it to cheap Bluetooth dongles that connect to smartphone apps, and the AD310 came out far ahead, being more reliable, durable, and consistent. This isn't a fancy, overcomplicated tool. It is designed to be straightforward, and it delivers exactly what most people need. When it comes to compatibility, the AD310 supports all OBD II protocols, including KWP 2000, J1850 VPW, ISO 9141, J1850 PWM, and CAN. That means it works with most vehicles sold in the US since '96, European models from 2000 onward, and a wide range of Asian vehicles. It is also compatible with newer OBD II and CAN-enabled vehicles, whether they are cars, SUVs, or light trucks. The only real limitation is that it won't work with older vehicles that don't use the OBD II system. For everyday use, the AD310 is practical and straightforward. There is no learning curve. You plug it in, follow the clear menu, and get your results. For people who just want to check their car without complicated software or extra steps, it is perfect. It is also a useful travel companion. You can toss it in your glove box, and if your check engine light turns on while on the road, you can immediately see if it's a serious problem or something minor. In terms of value, the ANCEL AD310 is hard to beat. It costs less than many scanners you find in auto parts stores, yet it performs better than cheap Bluetooth dongles that often fail after a couple of uses. With its solid build, reliable performance, and wide compatibility, it is a tool that almost any car owner can benefit from. Whether you are a beginner who just wants to understand what's happening with your car, or someone who wants to avoid unnecessary trips to the mechanic, this is a worthy investment. That wraps up our review of the ANCEL AD310 OBD II scanner. It is affordable, accurate, and simple to use, making it one of the best budget-friendly diagnostic tools available. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Tech eGadget for more reviews, and let us know in the comments if you've used this scanner or plan on picking one up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.